Hey everyone, thanks for watching. So I just wanted to say real quickly that, well, one, I just got back from a quick little vacation that we took in Mexico. That's why I'm looking all scruffy right now. But I just want to let everyone know that I've been out, but right now I'm working on a video that's probably a long time overdue. Basically covering several topics. How we found our Akiya, how I purchased my Akiya, how I financed it, and the lessons learned and hitting costs and stuff like that. So it's just, please stay tuned. And again, I just want to put out this quick little message to let everyone know. And so yeah, we just got back from Mexico, and then I came to all of this. Yeah, so fortunately we got back just in time so I can recover all of these chestnuts that have been falling. So as I have mentioned before, this is the ganeguri. Me was very famous for this type of chestnuts. So I gotta pick up all of these here. If you don't pick them up right away, little worms get into them. And then, thank God, the grass does not look that bad. I mowed everything right before I left. But I just full of persimmons. Like this tree last year, it was full with all the kuzu and the vines, so it had absolutely no chance of producing any kind of fruit. But look at this. I think this is all the type. This is the type that is not sweet, I'm pretty sure. And so you gotta hang them and let them air dry. So I'll probably be doing that this weekend or throughout the week. And I haven't looked down the lower backyard, but I'm pretty sure the other tree have some as well. And that does not look that bad. I gotta get to work and go ahead and pick up all these chestnuts, and then pretty soon the kiwis will be coming soon. Then I need to start working on my Japanese garden here. That finally, the grass has finally slowed down. I can start working on the Japanese garden and working on the garage and working on the man cave and everything. Yeah, so lots to do. But again, I just wanted to put that out because a lot of people have been asking, even though with I'm not all that famous at all, but a lot of people have been asking, the hitting costs and the actual cost of this extensive renovation of our abandoned house, vacant house here in the countryside of Japan in Yamaguchi Prefecture. So that will be coming out soon, so please stay tuned for that. I just need a couple weeks to put it all together. I want to respect everyone's time, but I also want to make it as informative as possible. So I'll be putting this video out here shortly. So if you do have questions between now and then, let me know and I'll try to plug them in. Again, I have been capturing some of other folks' questions that you have been asking thus far, and I'll try to answer that. Unfortunately, it'll probably be a little bit long, like 30 minutes or so. But I'm trying to answer everything up front. And if I don't, please feel free to comment and send me an email, which is also in the description, if you don't want to put your personal information out there. But let me go ahead and start picking up these chestnuts and give some away, and Choco is going to make something with them as well. And there's still some up on the tree. So basically what you have to do is just like every day, you just kind of recover from the ground what's available. But it looks like while we're out for a couple weeks, most of them failed. So I need to get to those. All right, folks, thanks a lot. So thanks for following us along, and thank you for putting up with this long delay on putting out this information that you have been requesting. Again, if you like what you see, please hit like, subscribe, share, and continue following us along. Thanks. Goodbye.